Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to day 11 of my coding journey. So, this video, we're going to be doing the final project in Code Academy that's dealing with classes and getters and setters and methods. And then after this, I think we're going to move on to JavaScript modules, I believe. I know a little bit about modules. I know that it's not really much to learn. It's like you importing, exporting certain codes and stuff. So I mean certain I don't know what it's called. I don't know. Trying to. All right, there we go. So in this video, we're gonna be building a school catalog. And before I do that, I kind of want to see if I can make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. Let me just see how it looks, because it was like maybe too small because I got a big monitor. I think that's good. Yeah, I think that's good. All right. So, like I said, this is blind. Didn't even read this yet. So, yeah, like last night, it took us about an hour and some change to do the first project. We would build the library. It took a lot of research and looking things up. So hopefully this doesn't take too long because I gotta go get a haircut here soon. So yeah, so we're gonna be building a school catalog, and I'm not gonna read all of this. So this is the school property. I think this is maybe the parent, and these are the children, the child classes. Okay, so yeah, it says over here. So each will inherit from a parent school class. A parent and 3 child classes have the following properties: getters, sitters, and methods. Alright, cool. If you're looking for a challenge, create the constructor and getters for the 4 classes above. Then use the setter and method specifications in step 5, 6, and 7 to finish the project. Huh. So she said 5, 6, and 7. I might can do this without looking at here, but um, yeah, let's just follow directions so that way I can just check it off. But I think I can. I'm probably like 90% sure I can make these without following each step. I mean, we've been dealing with classes for like a week now. It would suck if I can't do it, right? So let's start by making a parent class for primary, middle, and high school. Create an empty class named school. So class school. Alright, that's done. Inside the school class, create an empty constructor. That accepts 3 parameters. The names of these parameters should match the properties listed in the narrative above. So, name, level, oh, okay, name, so is it name, level, and number of students? Number of students. Of the 3 strings. Huh. Okay. I think that's right. Name, level, number of students. Okay. Inside the constructor, set the school properties. Prepend all of the properties with the underscore. I still don't get this prepend thing. So like I said, I'm in a boot camp. I currently attend new camp, and some of this stuff I'm learning in Code Academy, I didn't learn in the boot camp, and this is one of them. The whole prepend thing and underscore. I still kind of don't get it. So in new camp they just showed us, just do this dot name and then equals name. But in this, they're telling us to prepend it and do that. So yeah, I don't know. I looked it up, but for some reason when you look up something, sometimes it just makes it more confusing. You ever just like you ever just felt like you got something just a little bit and then you look it up and then you just get lost even more? That's how it is sometimes, man. All right. Number of students or number of students? Okay, number of students. Number of students. Alright, so we got that. That seems about right. I create getters for the name, level, and number of students. So get this dot get name return this dot underscore name. I'm gonna do get level return this dot underscore level. And last one, get number of students. This is going to return. I don't feel like typing this. I am lazy. I probably would have already been done typing. Alright, so return that, and return that. So that should be good. Alright, this is where it's about to get confusing. I can already tell. Alright, create a setter for the number of students. So I worked with this last video, and I'm starting to get it a little bit. Cause I did some more research last night. It took me like 2 hours to render that video out, and I don't really do too much editing, but I use iMovie, so I had to save the file, and it took like 2 hours. So I just spent that 2 hours doing more research and working on some other stuff. So I did look it up a little bit, what setters is, and still kind of confused, but I do get it a little bit. So I do know that it always takes like a parameter no matter what. I could be wrong, but so like number of students, and then it will be value. That's what we said it last time. Set number of students value. Before I do anything, I just want to make sure I don't have any errors. Alright, so number of students set value. Okay, so we should, if it is a number, the set number of students property. If not, log this invalid input number of students must be set to a number. Okay, so if it's not a number, if not a number JavaScript. So if it is a number, true. So we can do this? If number of students dot is NaN. N-A-N. Set number of students property, and then if it is the number of students, wait, they gotta be this dot underscore number of students equals value, and then if not, do else. So if it is a number, it equals the value. If not, wait, oh no, it's not a number. Wait. Oh, no, I got it backwards. So if it's not a number, if number of students, wait a minute. Fuck. I think this is value is not a number, then we'll console.log this here. Right? And then else, so that means it is a number, then we'll set the number of students to the value. Number of students equals value. And I keep forgetting this. Okay, I think that's right. We'll see whenever we. Okay. It's not a number, right? Isn't that what it means? It is not a number. Okay. I think that's right. We'll see. Alright. So, got that one. Okay, under the getters, create a method named quick fact. So under the getters, create a method quick facts. That logs the following string to the console. Console.log. So it looks like so school name, number of students, level. So it looks like we're gonna have to do a temple literal. So this dot underscore name educates and this dot underscore number of students. Underscore level, then school level. Period. Alright, so I think that's. So I always like checking, just make sure my code doesn't have any errors. So whenever you save it on Code Academy, if it got errors, it'll show up. So make sure I just keep saving it. Alright, so I think this is good. Okay, under quick facts, create a static method. So this is where it's about to confuse me because this is another thing that I didn't learn in my bootcamp. So I don't know how important it is. Because my bootcamp, they do a really good job of just throwing in important stuff. Code Academy, very good site, but like I think that they try to like give you too much. I know this sounds a little like weird, but they try to give you too much information, stuff that you probably will never use. Like I forgot, I can't thinking of an example, but it was times where I skipped over a few things. Like I know I'm not gonna use this. You know what I'm saying? And this might be one of them because I mean, what the hell is a static method? Let's see. Static method. Static method versus class method. So class methods don't need a class instance. They can't access the instance itself, but they have access to the class itself. Static methods don't have access to class or self. They work like regular functions, but belong to the class namespace. Huh. Okay. Oh, that's Python. What the fuck? Oh, man. JavaScript. I mean, it made sense, right? All right, here we go. What the fuck is this? Dude, sometimes when I look on Stack Overflow, it'd be like some crazy stuff. Like, just one simple question. That's all he said was class versus maybe that is a little. Let's check here. Static methods are defined on the class itself. You cannot call a static method on an object, only on an object's class. So here we go. Here's an example. So we got our class car with our constructor name, regular class. Then we have static hello, and it returns hello. So let my car and then new for okay. So we got a new class car instance. You can call hello on the car class, but not on the car object. Okay, got you. Okay. Got you. So, okay. It makes sense now. I get it. All right. I get it. Perfect. All right. So, we did that one. And this one. All right. So, under quick facts, create a static method. Static. Let's do this. Pick. I'm just copying this. I already know I'm going to spell some spelling those words wrong. This method will receive one parameter named substitute teachers. So one parameter, substitute teachers. The substitute teachers parameter will take an array of strings. Inside the method, randomly generate a whole number between 0 and 1 less than the length of substitute teachers array. What? Inside the method, generate a whole number. So generate a whole number. I know how to do that. Math.floor, math.random. Since it's 0, we don't have to put any numbers. Times substitute teachers dot length. But the part that's confusing, use this number to access and return a substitute teacher at the randomly generated index. So it says parameter will take an empty array of strings. So do we let's do that. So let's do substitute array equals that. So empty array, right? And then I'm gonna do let random num equals, this is where we're gonna put our math.floor do this math.random that, and then we'll times no, wait, that don't make sense. Substitute the substitute teacher parameter will take an empty array of strings. Okay, so we don't need this because it's gonna take an array as the parameter. So we're gonna put an array inside. So when we do pick substitute teacher, we're gonna put an array inside of it. So we don't need that. So let random number equal that, and then substitute. Dude. What is it? 2:30. Substitute teachers dot length. All right. And then we're going to return substitute teachers. Use the number to access and return a substitute teacher at that randomly generated index. Randomly generated index. Randomly generated index. JavaScript. Wait, get a random item from JavaScript. So it looks like I already searched this up before. I don't think this is what I need though. Randomly generated index. Randomly generated index. No? Because let random num equals that. So that's a whole random number. And we're putting that within this index. Right? Let's see how this works. Actually, let's look at the hint. Make sure you done it right. Okay. Yeah, I think I did it right. My array.length and then my array, my index. Perfect. I think that's right. Hopefully. Alright, so we got that. Let's create the primary school class. Okay, make sure my code is nice and sexy. Next, we'll build a primary school class that extends school. If you feel comfortable building a primary school class for your own, give it a shot. If not, use the steps below to help you along the way. Blah, blah, blah. Gotcha. Okay, number 8's done. All right, so inside, oh, wait, create a empty primary school class. So, class primary school extends school. Okay, and then inside the inside the primary class, create a constructor. That accepts 3 arguments. Accepts 3 arguments. So everything in the plus 1 additional property. Pickup policy, okay. So we got name, level, number of students. It said only 3 arguments though. Okay. Use the remaining arguments to set the pickup. Use the remaining argument to set the pickup property. Whether you want to follow subsidize a person on primary school only has 1 additional property. Alright, so yeah, I think it just takes name, level, number of students. Just like this. Alright, and we can call super on the first line of primary school constructor, pass it the arguments that the parent has. So super name, level, number students. Since this is primary school class, pass primary as the argument for the level parameter in the parent constructor. Huh? I did something wrong, dude. Yeah, I did something wrong. I think I did something wrong. Did I? Yeah, I don't think I did anything wrong. Okay. Since this is the primary school class, pass primary as the argument for the level parameter. So, primary? Okay. Just keep it like that. That don't make sense. That don't make sense, dude. Or do I do level equals? Hmm. I don't know. Let's keep this level for now. Use the remaining argument to set as name primary number of students to the parent constructor. So parent constructor, so primary. Good. Alright, so that's that, and then I think I'm doing this totally wrong. And then pick up this, that, pick up policy equals pickup policy. Alright, so that's that. I don't know if I'm doing that right, but okay, since our primary school class inherited schools, properties, and getters, we only need to create one getter in the primary school class. Add this getter to the primary school class. Each getter should return the same. So yeah, so it doesn't have this getter there, so it's gonna be get pickup pick. Oh my god, dude, what? Get pickup policy, and it's gonna return this underscore pickup. I think I got something wrong. Yeah, I do. Okay, I do. This. Okay, perfect. Oh, thinking this VS Code, I press Control S. All right, perfect. All right, so that's that. Um, hopefully I got this right. All right, so create a high school class. So let's go ahead and this time should create a class. In addition to the properties, getters, and method in school, the high school includes the following: sports team, array of strings, a getter for the sports team. The getter should log the sport to take a hint. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, damn, they just want us to create this without even giving us hints. I mean, without even giving us tasks. Okay. So, class, high school, extends school, and constructor. Name, level, number of students. Then this should super it. And change this to high. with the high, and then sports team array of strings. So this dot underscore sports team equals sports teams. A getter for the sports team. So, um, so yeah, I'm probably doing all of this, y'all. So load all of the sports in console, and then it says console log sports terms. Super. Wait. Ah. Okay. Where the hell? Okay. So that's that. So now let's create some instances. How long have I been recording, dude? 37 minutes. Okay, cool. I gotta get my haircut. Alright. So let's create some instances and see if this squat works. Alright, so we got const. And this is gonna be a new primary school. New primary school. And then we got the name. We got 514. And then we got the pickup policy. See, but how? $42. See? Hold on, dude. I'm doing this wrong. I'm doing this wrong. Gotcha. I did it totally wrong. Okay, so yeah, so we don't need level in this. We just need pickup policy in this here, right? That's cool. Okay. And then down here, we don't need level. We need sports teams. Maybe it got to be in order. Because, yeah. I'm not sure if it needs to be in order or not. So, sports team. Alright. And then, where's the class? Okay, so right here, get rid of that, and then do that. Okay. Okay, then we get that. On the instructor, use console. On the constructor, create a getter for sports. Use the console allow the sprint. Okay, so I think I got everything right now. Okay, so that was good. So let's see if everything works. So we're gonna call quick facts on Lorraine Hansberry. Dot quick facts. And quick facts is okay. So that's your console.log something. Console.log. Here we go. Lorraine Hansberry educates 514 students at the primary school level. Perfect. All right, cool. So that's check. The principal of Lorraine needs a substitute teacher for the day. Call, pick, pick substitute teacher on school and pass the following argument on the school. Wait, primary. What is it? Okay, so yeah, we can't call it on that, so we have to call it on the school. Remember, because it's a static. So we'll do school dot this dot that, and inside this, it's gonna take an array of teachers. So what the fuck? But it's gonna randomly. It should randomly choose one. Dude, you know what? Why is it not letting me copy and paste this? Oh my god, I know I'm not about to type all this shit in. Copy. Paste. There we go. Like that. Okay, so we called it on the school. Looks a little funky, but I think it's right. Alright. So now, I kind of want to see if this works, though. How do I check? See if it works. Where do I? Okay. Primary school. That's not it. Okay, pick a substitute teacher, return substitute teacher. That okay. Maybe they'll tell me down here. Okay, so we got to create a high school instance. So let's go ahead and do this. Const L Smith equals new high school. We have his name. I think my mouse about to die. 415 and his array of sports teams. This should be good to go. Wait, oh, forgot something. High school is not defined. Did I not? Oh, I spelled high. Wait. Oh, still not defined. What the fuck? Did I spell it wrong again? High school. Am I spelling school wrong? I forgot the uppercase. No. Forgot. Alright, so cool, that's it. Alright, so get the value to the sports team's property in L. Smith. Get the value saved to the sports team. So all we have to do is do L. Smith dot sports teams. Sports team, right? Make sure. Okay, so get sports teams. Maybe I don't need this. I don't have to use this that. Perfect. There we go. Alright, cool. So nice work. If you made it this far, you have a strong understanding of class, syntax, and inheritance. I still don't know if I got this right. It just... Is it supposed to do something? Pick substitute teacher? Hold on. Maybe I should console... Matter of fact, let's console.log this. And see if it picks a random teacher. Console.log. Instead of returning it. I just want to see if I got this part right, at least. I think this is probably the most challenging part, right? Oh, okay. It's picking a random name. Perfect. So, James, but it's only picking J.R. Smith, Jamal Crawford. Perfect. Yep, it's picking a random name. That is so pleasing. You don't understand. Alright, so yeah, that's it, guys. I gotta go get my hair cut. Might be late. So yeah, that is what we do. And let me go back. We created a school catalog with classes and getter, sitter methods and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. And it looks like I'm lagging a little bit, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and hope maybe later today there's gonna be another video. Yeah, peace out, guys.